Error, cannot perform a backup or restore operation within a transaction when trying to backup MS SQL database using pyodbc and freetds. I'm currently running into some problems when I'm trying to backup a MS SQL database from a Linux host using pyodbc and freetds. The versions are as follows: Python 2.7.6, pyodbc 3.0.7, freetds 0.91-2, CentOS 6.5. The code I'm running are as follows, with names and passwords etc. removed. The error message I get is: I get the same message whether or not I run the command manually or via a stored procedure as in this code example. I did some Googling and found references to adding autocommit equals true would resolve this problem, but that doesn't seem to make any difference at all. Does anyone have any helpful insights to share on this one? Thanks in advance, Mike.
Autocommit should be specified as a keyword argument to the pyodbc.connect function. It is not part of the ODBC connection string. See the section that starts with. Some keywords are used by pyodbc and are not passed to the ODBC driver. Modify your code to the following.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.